Admirals. My name is Markus with my moderator in the back, Nastia. Wonderful. Good morning. Enjoy your coffee or tea or something what you have around. Okay, so I hope you're doing good all together. You had a great night, a lovely and relaxing night, and also great start into your own trading business, family day, whatever there is. And I'm looking forward. My name is Markus. I'm looking forward to talk to you this morning. Again, the last show for this week, unfortunately. Thanks, Nancy. Wonderful. Very good. So you are prepared for my speech this morning again. Okay, Vladimir, good morning. Darom also. Okay, we stream this show on YouTube at the same time. You will find a button in the right corner. You can subscribe to the channel. You can give us a like if you want. You can leave a comment. Or right now in the chat, I can see it here and on Zoom also. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. So where is my family around this morning? Okay. So Mihai, good morning. German Pablo Blando, good morning. Tina, wonderful, good morning. Chiseng, also good morning. And Johan and Hartmut, Rainer, good morning. So Mike, I received your free course yesterday, but it's in German, so you have to. Yeah, I sent you an email yesterday. Mike, check your email account, check the spam folder, please, because I sent you the link with the English part yesterday. Yeah, but it's always the same on my homepage. If you change it to English, there's a button you can change from German to English. Then everything is in English, also this online course. Yeah, if you don't find it, then check it again. So, yeah, we have focus charts. This is Admirals, best broker ever around the world. So we have 5 focus charts. It's Bitcoin, it's DAX 40, Dow Jones, Euro USD, and gold chart. So I want to invite you to our webinars. And this afternoon, we have another lovely webinar. It's an introduction to trading using supply and demand. It's 2 p.m. London time, by the way. If you want to be well informed, then I invite you to our Admirals channel on Telegram. If you use Telegram on your phone or on your screen, then you can click the button or the link in the chat here on YouTube and of course here in Zoom also. And then you can follow and you don't miss any episode. Or here, for example, we are Admirals, very lovely and interesting content. Here you see here a lovely woman of Admirals. Yeah, you see it. They are responsible for our common success. In case you want to be, you use Twitter, then you are invited to follow Twitter, Admirals on Twitter too. It's Admirals Global there, Admirals Global. And if you want to follow me, my name is Daytrader70. Great. Ian, wonderful, good morning. Let's go to our charts and we start with our DAX trading. And yeah, we followed the trend yesterday. In between, we had a small loss of 28 pips, but finally the short trend we're continuing for the rest of the day. And we had really falling prices yesterday through all indices. And finally, in the evening, there was any news and the market jumped up. And I was not able to trail my stop closer because I was not on the screen at that time. So during the night, the price came back. So I trailed my stop. And this morning, so I got out with 183 pips points again. I would say it's really, really cool. Really, really cool. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new trend on the right side of the chart. In case you trade DAX 10 minutes, or DAX 40 in 10 minutes, then you have a new trend here right now. And you know, system 1, if you don't have correction deeper than 38, then you start at the point 2. And in case we have a deeper correction at deeper than 38, then you're waiting for a balance candle, and then we come up from the correction, out of the correction zone. So actually there's a correction, and we set a pending order on the upper side. Let's do it here. Opening here, buy stop in case the price will go up. So where is my point of control? Yeah, we are circling around the point of control. We are among the red zone. So everything is fine, but it's just an orientation. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Please send me a notification because I deleted it. Mike, send me an email, please, again. So pending order is in, and if you will see during the rest of the next whatever there is hours, and we see a closer price than 38, then waiting for a balance candle, and then we can come up out of the correction. It's a little bit better situation, but don't miss the entry because it's a trend. Okay, so focus charts. Focus charts, and the focus charts is we start with Euro USD. Yeah, and unfortunately, I missed my entry yesterday. It was a little bit hard because there was the ECB news yesterday. So I literally forgotten to set a pending order there. Sometimes it is like it is, a little bit stupid. So actually, there is a trend. And the trend is this one. That's the last point too. So you can do this or this, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if you do this or so. That is the first trend arm. And you see the price come back exactly to the point of control again. And then finally we had a small correction, and then we had this news about the ECB yesterday. And here we go. Now we are in the third trend arm and deep, deep, deep in the move. So just let it go for the moment. Okay, then let's start with Bitcoin. Yeah, and in Bitcoin, we still have the trend, ladies and gentlemen. We still have the trend. We should open a position again. So that's the first no, that's the first trend arm, sorry. So that's the first trend arm. And that was the second one. So here we go, which means we can set a pending order again. Let's do it small and open a position here before the point 2, buy stop, because it's the second trend arm and we have to do it. The better opportunity were yesterday, or that was, yeah, in the middle of the night, midnight roundabout. So, but I've forgotten. So it's okay. Point of control is up. We can do it. So pending order, Bitcoin. Then the next one is Dow Jones, but this is a running trade also. And then we have DAX 40 in 4-hourly chart. And yeah, price is still going up. Again, it's still our trend. And this is the trend, by the way. First, second, and now we are the third one. Yeah, and maybe we'll see a trend continuation. I don't know. Could be a little bit hard because we are within the red zone and point of control is there. But however, it's a trend still. Then British pound USD. Yeah, there is the trend also there. 1 and 2 and no, it's not a trend continuation right now. So just there is nothing to do. But I would suggest, I would think, yeah, that we go back to the point of control. So remember the date, February the 4th. Today, I say, I think we go back to the point of control. I don't know yet, but I think we go back to the point of control. Okay, so let's go to gold. Yeah, kind of difficult. So because there's not really a trend on the right side, maybe this, actually that's the point too. There is no trend continuation, so we don't have a valid trend. And this is a usual behavior because we are within the red zone and the market says, okay, come on, the price is really fair. We don't do anything there. Everything is fine. So we have more running trades, but I want to show you Nasdaq because it was really, really bad day for Nasdaq yesterday because we were rejected exactly at the point of control. So, and Meta, aka Facebook, gave bad news and bad numbers yesterday. So the market dropped down very sharply. But it's interesting, even in Nasdaq, in 4-hourly chart, it's really, really interesting. Thanks, Mike. It's really interesting. Cool. Look at this one. It's a trend. And now we are on a second trend arm. Yeah. So it's possible, yeah, to ride the trend and entry here in case you trade Nasdaq. I don't, so we trade Dow Jones and so on. Okay, just a quick hint for those of you that are trading Nasdaq. Okay, before we come to the running trades, the rest of the focus charts, I have the Friday question for you. And Friday question is always, did you reach your own goals this week? And I hope you did it finally. We have 3 options. Yeah, I did finally. No, I did not. Or I had no goals this week. So feel free to push the button, whatever there is. Okay, let's go to the running trades. We have Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. So basically the long position is still running. Yeah. So there is nothing to do. We are in profit. But also on the right side of the chart, we can see that there is a downtrend. And the downtrend hasn't reached 38% of correction, which means my pending order to open a short position is at the point 2. The moment we can cover 38%, then I have the full rules. And we are waiting for a balance candle and we come up out of the correction. Yeah, but the higher we go with the price, the better is it for the long position because we have still open a long position. Then we have Swiss franc, Japanese yen. So both trades are still running. The short position is still running because I trailed the stop loss into the profit. And the long position is also running. And this is really interesting. Yeah, that I trail the stop loss now for the short position and take the money, but also the long position is running. It's the second trend arm. And you know, every second trend arm is your duty to open the trade because you cannot know, yeah, which trend will be the stronger one and which trend will continue finally or will lead to the main trend. So therefore, you have to take every second trend arm. And this is one of the big benefits of MetaTrader, that you can make hedging positions, and you have to do it because you have to trade the correction also like the main trend, because you can never know which trend will continue finally. Yeah, we on the right side of the chart and we cannot control the chart. We only can work with probabilities. Dow Jones. Yeah, we have finally, thanks God, we have a correction. Thanks God, because the new correction could bring new buyers into the market, especially institutional money could come in because they use cheaper prices. Yeah. And finally, I'm always happy if we have a correction because, you know, you remember the word dependent origination? Yeah. A trend depends of trend arms. And the trend arm is depending of movement and correction. So be happy if you have a correction. If you're not happy, if you see a correction, then you have a big problem. Because then you are focusing on your mind, of your money, and this is a wrong way. It's you should be focusing on your trend and not the money, because the money comes with the trend and not the opposite direction. If you focusing on your money, you cannot ride the trend. Believe me, because you are going from heaven to hell and back. With every movement, you're going to heaven and you think you're the king of the world. Yeah, like Titanic. Yeah, I'm the king of the world. And the moment the correction is starting, yeah, you're going back to hell. With every candle, you're going back to hell. And this is not the way you can become successful. Okay, so just let it go. Euro Swiss franc. Oh my gosh. You see? It's really interesting, going up and up and up. This is why I say use every single second trend arm. Yeah. So where is the point of control? We can check it. Euro Swiss franc. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh, that's beautiful. So we're coming up. Today is February the 4th. The point of control actually in Euro Swiss franc is up at 109,559. And I make a prediction right now. We will reach it finally. I don't know when, but it's a kind of guarantee, you know, we will reach this point of control at any time. I don't know, next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I don't know. And if not, then there's just only one exception, when the price point of control moved to another price. But actually, if you can see this, okay, there is no obstacle. There is the lowest one is here. Maybe we see that the price will come back and we're rejected here, then it's cool. Yeah, then we need the correction. And I guess we will reach first the point of low, and then the price will be rejected. Yeah, and then maybe the correction starts. So, and that I hope we have the correction, because without the correction, there is no trend, by the way. Okay, so remember my words when I say we'll reach the point of control. Please make a note. Now, February the 4th, I say we will reach the point of control. I don't know when, but we will reach it. And if not, make a note, then the point of control switch to another price. Yeah, and there are two opportunities where we can reach. It's this one, it's the price of 107, or a bit higher, round about 108. Let's see, could be really interesting. Next one, Euro Japanese yen, 235 pips in profit right now. So we had a profitable trade with the short, and now we have a long position. That's cool. Price is going up and up and up. And where is the point of control here? Euro Japanese yen, let's see it. Oh, we broke through the point of control directly. So hopefully we get a correction very soon, that the trend can continue. Next one, British pound Australian dollar. Here we have to be a little bit more carefully, because actually the long trend is still running. And now we have an open short position because it was the second trend arm. And actually we don't know which trend will continue. So we have to be careful because the price is going up for the moment. So I would say if this candle will be finished, then a trend candle will continue at 11 o'clock, and then we should trail the stop, or we close the trade right now, because you know what? I close it right now. It's I can see it's not working for me. Close it, just a small loss. But at the same time, we set a pending order again, in case the price will come up again. Okay, it's still the second trend arm, and the trend will break here at the last 0.3. But I have also be prepared in case that the trend will continue to the lower side. Yeah, so you should do this. Okay. So, and we can delete the alarm too. Yeah, but I cut the loss because you see on the right side, the price is going up and up. So, and I'm quite sure at 11, when the candle changed to the next one, then there will occur a trend candle. Yeah, and the price is going up. Okay, so cut a loss immediately if you see it's not working. If you're sitting in the wrong bus, get out. Get out of this damn it bus. If you see a driver is drunk and drives in the wrong direction, and here the driver is completely drunk, so get out, jump out of the bus, but don't forget to take it again if you see, oh, the right bus is coming soon. New Zealand US dollar. So we had a lovely short position, a lovely long trade, wonderful. We made a profitable trade. And at the same time, we opened a trade in a second trend arm. And here we are a bit in profit. So let's check it. Where is the point of control? Where we are? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, there is a lot of space. There is a lot of space. Okay, point of control is up here. Okay, next situation is here. Okay, that should be take a while, or here. That's the next situation, but that will take weeks. So, but we have enough space to go up. That's really cool. That's really cool. So, and then the last one is, no, not the last one, is US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, and here is the same, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the same, that we have the long position open, still open, but we had to open the short too because it was the second trend arm. And now I can see, okay, the price is not working for me. Yeah. So there is also balance. There was two balance candle. Now the price is going up, and same. I see I'm in the wrong bus. Yeah, close it. Just close it, but set a pending order immediately in case the price will go down again. Be prepared. Yeah. Okay. So where is the point of control in US dollar, Canadian dollar? Yeah, where we are right now. So, and this is another maybe reason why we have more buyers there, because the price get rejected at the point of control, and it's absolutely possible that we see a final trend continuation to the upper side. Last one, US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, here we cut the loss because the long position is still running. And now we opened yesterday the long position. Yeah, and let's see. Stop loss, by the way, is below the last 0.3. It's just a kind of catastrophic stop loss. Yeah. So just let it go for the moment. Let's check it. Where is the point of control in US dollar? Yeah, it's on the lower side. It's here on the lower side. Yeah, it's far away. So, okay. Next position is here at 113.67. Yeah, but actually the trend is long and therefore we have to do it. But be careful with this. Yeah, actually there's not a short position, short trend, so just let it go. And finally, no, Lisa, look into Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I will do this, Lisa, for you. Let's check it. Yeah, very well, very well. Yeah, there is a trend. Move, correction, move, correction. Cool stuff. And you see price is fighting actually with point of low. Yeah. So, oh, that's really cool. Lisa, I'm proud of you. Really. Well done. Well done. So let's set a pending order at the point 2 actually, because the correction actually is not deeper than 38. So let's set a pending order here. At the point 2, buy stop. Cool. So let's see crude oil. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe it. Guys, we should trail the entry. We should trail. Oh my gosh. We should trail the target far away enough because we cannot know how far the price is going. But finally, ladies and gentlemen, finally, yeah, we will see today a final trend continuation, which means after today, after this evening, yeah, you can trail the stop officially into the profit. Come on, guys. Isn't that cool? Gosh, I love it so much. I love it so much. Trend trading. It's really, really awesome. Really, really awesome. Okay, guys, Australian Canadian dollar is, thanks God we have Lisa, that we have a new trading idea. And the other trading ideas are not really valid. So let me see 4 hours. So British pound, Swiss franc, it's an old trend. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Oh, there is the pending order still in. Yeah, that's another one. And of course, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, it's too old, by the way. It's too old. Okay, so just let it go. Which point of control do you use in your analysis, please? From my market profile indicator. So guys, I want to show the results. It's Friday. Let me show the results. And this is the result from this week. Recovery profit factor 2.17, which means we have a really profitable week. And since I changed my behavior and I go back to my real trading with never miss a signal or almost never miss a signal and do a proper money and trade management, you can see it works. We have a profit factor over 1, or actually 109, and the curve is running up. Yeah, finally it's running up. We come a little bit back here, but now it's normal stuff. It's normal stuff, but finally it's going up, and you see it really, really works. And this is really cool. So I had the question of today, did you reach your goals this week? And we had 55%. Yes, I did finally. And 38%, no, I did not. Or 7%, I had no goals. So, if you don't have a goal, you cannot reach anything in trading. And this is a part of the business plan we talked about this week. Business plan is the most important thing. And the date where you want to become successful is the most important information for your business plan. And don't be worried if you don't reach your goals this week. Don't be worried about it. Don't be afraid. Make a note why, in case you had a goal, by the way. And believe me, I can tell you the reason. It's not the strategy. It's not the rules. It's you. And this is what you have to fix it. Go to your mind and think about it, why you haven't reached your goals this week. There must be a reason. And if you want to get in touch with me, send me an email. Maybe I have some advice for you. And we can put it into the next webinars. Anonymously, of course, by the way. Yeah. And if you reach your goals this week, celebrate it. Celebrate it. By the way, I did my own challenge this last 2 weeks, prop trading. If you follow me on prop trading, I got the challenge. Yeah. I come up to the next stage with 24,000 hours, 24,000 euros. Got it. Just stick to the rules. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for this week. Nastia, thanks for supporting me. Thanks to Admirals, and thanks to everybody of you. And I wish you a lovely weekend among your family. Enjoy it. Stay away from trading. There is no reason. The markets are closed over the weekend. So take your time and spend it with your family, your friends, or for yourself, whatever there is. And I hope we'll see each other next week again. And as always, have courage and be kind, and may the force of the room